Squishies. So we are making a video of all of my squishies. Okay. So first, let's start off with this squishy. So, you know what's cool about this one? This one. And this. Oh my gosh. This one. They're really cool, and this one's like an egg. Look, it looks like yolk. It's like fake yolk. It's like shaving cream, but it's dyed. The blue one, it's like a blueberry. It's nice. It's like it's the same. It's this, but on the camera my finger looks really long. But this is this because see the squeeze, I'll do it to this one. Same texture. Look at this. Wait. Do this. Look at this. Same texture. Okay, guys. Next, this green one. I think this would be cool if I smeared it on the camera. No, it doesn't look good. Okay. This is pretty cool. Oh shoot, my sock. And then I made this right here. Right here. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. I only have one subscriber. Please do not embarrass me. I have one subscriber. And nobody likes my YouTube channel. So smash that subscribe button. And you know what else you should do? You know what else you should do? You should smash that like button too. Smash, 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 smash that subscribe. Smash, smash, smash the like button. Please. Okay, back to the video. So, it's like a button. I wrote this sign on it, like that. This right there. Oh shoot, it's so blurry. Wait, let me zoom up, guys. Oh wait, I zoomed up a lot. Yeah, I dropped that. I did that with a Sharpie. It's pretty hard. Okay. Let's turn it back. Right here. next turn my homemade on. It's pretty cool. Yeah, you guys on how much stuff I have. Let's zoom up to this. Wow, what the heck is happening? It's really squishy. Guys, listen to this. Listen one more time. Yeah, this video is pretty cool. Okay. Next up, this pretty cool. Where is it? Oh shoot, I gotta zoom out. Cover so bad. What? What's happening? I know, I'm seeing so stupid right now. I'm gonna move this. Like, it's so weird. Okay. So I have this hamburger. Listen to this. Yeah, it comes back to its shape. Not that long. So, let me grab it. Yeah, it's in my hand. Let me put all the ones I had right off to the side. It'll just take a second. Oh shoot, I just throw that one. I'll go pick it up. One of my dad's favorite. I know you all guys are in love with these, and I bet you all wish you could have one of these. It's a dumpling. It's the glitter one. Just kidding, no, it's not. Okay. Let me. Oh shoot, what's that? Oh. There it is. It's green, like my plushie. And that. And like this. And like this. Guys. This timer on my iPad right now. Oh my gosh. 830 and 40. Oh my gosh, it's going so fast. Okay. My dad would be here. Okay. Let me put it off to the side. Let me put. Oh. Okay. Most of your favorites. It's a real treasure. Guys, check it out. I know you really want one of these. It's a glitter dumpling. Look at its smile. I hate the eyes because they're like sideways. Now they're not. Look at this squish.